welcome to this week's Monday Minutes. My name is Kelly.
And my name is Jessie. And this week we are going to show you a quick example how you can make a shortcut for the Koha Staff Interface on your desktop, making it really easy to jump right in. And this was a great suggestion that came from one of our partners.
Absolutely. So we're Mac users, so we're going to show you how to use it on a Mac, and then we'll provide directions on how to use it on a PC. Of course, this is all browser-based generally, so a lot of the steps that we're going to do will be quite similar to a PC process. So I'm here on our Staff Interface main page. For Google Chrome, I can go up to these three dots and do more tools, and then it says create a shortcut. So I'm going to go ahead and create that shortcut. I can call it whatever I want. I could just say Koha or whatever my little heart desires.
And if you notice that little K that was in the upper left-hand corner, that's coming from the Favicon that is set in your global system preferences.
Yep. So up here. So if you don't have a Favicon, we should do that as another Monday Minutes, Jessie.
Yes. It's a great idea.
Little box card. Yeah. I'm going to drag it up here to put it here and make it show up on my desktop. If y'all can see that, I can move it like right here. Oops, it won't even let me move it. So it's right here. Now, we were testing this, Jessie and I, and we decided that it's really kind of not a clear favicon. So you could use your own image if you wanted to. You could overlay what the browser is adding in and put your own. So we're going to show you how to do that as well. If I go and right click here and I say, get info. So here it is right here. I'm going to drag and drop an image over this K and it will replace that. So now I'm going to go find my Finder. I want these on two different pages so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to grab this picture so it's so much prettier. And if I hover over this, it will give me a green plus. And then it will update.
Oh, gorgeous.
Yeah. So if I get rid of all this other stuff on my desktop, you can see it right here. It's updated here. So you can create a shortcut. Let's go ahead and close this down. And then I'm just going to double click. Opens it up in another window. There it is.
All right. Just a great tip.
I think that this is really fantastic because for users, they just want to be able to open something up. So I click it, it's on my desktop when I start in the morning, and I don't have to remember what browser I'm supposed to go into or where I'm supposed to go. And this will be nice and easy for users.
All right. This is awesome.
Yeah. So thanks for the suggestion.
Yeah.
Keep them coming.
Keep them coming. Kelly and I are headed off to PLA this week. Don't forget to watch us. We'll be live from PLA. So check in and watch us Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We'll be streaming from the Facebook Bywater Solutions page.
And we'll put the link in the blog post so you can get the virtual thing. Okay. Have a great week.
Have a great week.